Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an audio file to an MP3 using Premiere Pro. So first I'm going to open my Premiere Pro. I'm going to click on New Project. I'm going to type in MP3 Converter. I'm going to hit Create. Okay, so now I'm in. So in this case, I have a WAV file that I want to convert to an MP3, so I'm going to go find it. I know that it's in my Downloads folder, and there it is right there. That's the file that I want to convert. Click on that. Bottom right, hit Import, and there it is. So there's my file. Now to convert this file now to an MP3, I'm going to go up here to the top left where it says Export. Right here is the format that it's currently set to export in. I'm going to drop that down. I'm going to find my MP3. There it is, MP3. Click on that, and then you can name it up here whatever you want. And then bottom right of your corner, hit Export, and you're done. So that's the video. I hope it was helpful. Please feel free to like and subscribe if it was helpful and you want access to more quick DIY videos like this in the future. If needed, I do update an FAQ section below in the description that could save you time getting an answer. But if you do need to leave me a question or comment, please do. I try to get to those a couple times a day at least. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.